In its 19th century heyday, Glasgow on the River Clyde was the second city of the British Empire. It was at the forefront of the Industrial Revolution. A century ago, with over 1 million people, that's about twice its current population, it was a powerhouse. They say it produced 25% of the world's ocean-going ships. But after World War II, tough times hit Glasgow, giving it a rough edge and a rundown image. In the last generation, Glasgow embarked on a creative, citywide rejuvenation scheme. And today, the city has an energetic cultural scene and a unique flair for art and design. These days, the River Clyde produces not ships, but good times. The Grand train station, busy with commuters, is a reminder of both the city's industrial past and its current recovery. George Square sprawls before the City Hall. The square is a who's who of statues, which are especially appreciated by the seagulls. There's the great Scotsman James Watt, who perfected the steam engine that helped power Europe into the industrial age. Here's Scotland's two top literary figures, Robert Burns and Sir Walter Scott. Along with its industrial and working-class heritage, the city prides itself on its playful irreverence. Here in front of the Gallery of Modern Art, the Honorable Duke of Wellington is graced with a Glaswegian crown.